Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss any of our wellness deep dives. Today we're talking about something small but mighty, raw garlic. Yep, that's strong smelling. Little clove sitting in your kitchen might just be one of nature's best body boosters. Let's break down why it's worth adding to your daily routine and how to do it right. As segment 1, what makes garlic special? So, what gives garlic its superpowers? When you crush or chop a clove, an enzyme called allicin activates and creates allicin. That's the compound responsible for garlic's smell and many of its health effects. The key thing? Raw garlic keeps more of those active compounds than cooked versions. That means the closer it is to fresh and raw, the stronger the potential benefits. Segment 2, major benefits of raw garlic. Heart and blood pressure support. Raw garlic may help keep your blood pressure in check and your heart happy. Studies suggest it can slightly lower bad LDL cholesterol and support smoother blood flow by relaxing blood vessels. Immune system and cold defense. Feeling run down? Garlic's natural sulfur compounds have been linked to mild antibacterial and antiviral effects, meaning your immune system gets a little extra support during cold season. Inflammation and antioxidant power. Garlic helps fight oxidative stress and chronic inflammation, two big players in aging and disease. It's like giving your body's repair system a helping hand. Blood sugar and metabolic health. Some research shows garlic may improve insulin sensitivity and help stabilize blood sugar. Great news for anyone watching energy levels or metabolic health. Liver and detox support. While detox gets thrown around a lot, garlic genuinely supports the liver's natural cleanup process and helps protect cells from damage. 6. Mild cancer risk reduction with caveats. Some observational data suggest that higher garlic intake is associated with lower risk of certain cancers like gastrointestinal cancers. However, and this is key, the evidence in humans is not conclusive. Garlic alone is not a guarantee or a treatment for cancer. The best approach is a smart diet plus lifestyle. Now let's keep it real with some practical notes so you can make garlic work for you and not against you. Raw versus cooked. If you're eating garlic raw, chewed or crushed, you're getting the maximum allicin and sulfur compounds. Cooking tends to degrade those compounds. Cooked garlic is still better than none, so don't sweat it if you prefer it that way. How much? The studies vary. Some used small amounts, few grams, others more. One review noted trials with raw white garlic used between 4 g and 35 g per day. You don't necessarily need huge doses to see benefit, but consistency matters. Timing, preparation tip. To maximize allicin formation, chop or crush the clove, then let it sit for a minute before ingesting or cooking. This gives the enzyme reaction time to form active compounds. Be aware of side effects, interactions. Raw garlic is generally safe in food amounts, but big doses can increase bleeding risk, especially if you're on anticoagulants, irritate your stomach, or cause reflux, and cause strong breath or body odor. If you're about to have surgery, or you're pregnant or on certain medications, blood pressure, blood sugar, blood thinner, you should check with your doc. Don't see it as a miracle fix. While garlic is fantastic, it's not a substitute for healthy lifestyle basics. Good sleep, balanced diet, exercise, stress management. The research notes that garlic shows modest benefits, and the results vary across individuals. Breath and social note. Yep, raw garlic equals strong breath. If you're meeting clients, having a big meeting or a date, you may want to plan accordingly. Mince, parsley, spacing it out. Just saying. Wrapping it up. Incorporating raw garlic into your daily routine can be a smart move. Here's a simple game plan. 1. Buy fresh garlic heads, not just powder. 2. Every day, or most days, crush or chop 1 or 2 cloves. Let it sit for 30-60 seconds. 3. Eat it raw, maybe with a little olive oil, honey, or on a slice of whole grain bread, or toss into dishes just before serving. Activity, good sleep. 4. Pair this habit with your other health foundations. Clean eating. 5. Monitor how you feel. If you notice stomach upset or issues, adjust. If you take meds like blood thinners or BP meds, talk to your doc about your garlic habit. In short, raw garlic is like a low-cost, high-flavor, high-potential health booster that you can easily weave into your day. It's not hype. It's backed by science showing benefits for heart health, immunity, inflammation, metabolism, and more. If you treat it right, fresh, raw, or minimally cooked, consistent, it can be a standout addition to your health toolkit. So go ahead, crush that clove like a boss. Your body will thank you. And yes, you might stink a little, but if you're feeling stronger, more energized and healthier, worth it. Let's keep grinding, keep optimizing, and let raw garlic do its thing. So there you have it. Garlic isn't just a cooking staple. It's potentially a health ally when used smartly. Whether you eat it raw, crushed, or cooked, the key is consistency and pairing it with a healthy lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Share it with someone who loves natural health tips. Subscribe and comment down below. Have you tried raw garlic daily? What changes did you notice? Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.